Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a kind of brief tutorial on triangles. That's what our lesson is all about, or this unit is all about. And so a couple of things that I've noticed as you've gone through the quizzes. So for example, if we look at this triangle here, okay, if it has this little mark here in the corner, so it kind of makes like a little square, that means it's a right triangle, which means that this angle equals 90 degrees. Okay, so if you know that that angle equals 90 degrees, if they give you, say, that this angle is x plus 1 and this one is, say, x minus 1, okay, that means that because a triangle altogether, all of the angles add up to 180. So if this one's 90, that means these other two together would also equal 90. Okay, so you could add all three of them to equal 180, or you could just take x plus 1 and add it to x minus 1 and have that equal to 90 and then solve that. Okay, so if I was going to solve this, 1x plus 1x is 2x. Positive 1 minus 1 is 0. So then I just have 2x equals 90. And then that means that x, oh, sorry, skipped a step there. So then you would divide by 2 on both sides. And that would give you that x equals 45. Okay, and then you have to remember, if they ask for the angle, you have to put this 45 in here. So that means that this angle would be 45 plus 1, which would be 46. And then this angle would be 45 minus 1, which would be 44. Okay, so that's how that works. Now, if you didn't have a 90 degree like on this triangle and they just gave you all three angles, then you add up all three and they equal 180. All right, now the other thing that you're doing with triangles in this unit, this all erased here. Smaller. Let me erase my triangle. I guess I left that. All right, so the other thing that you're doing is you're proving whether or not two triangles are congruent. Okay, and so if I have this triangle and let's say I add, we're going to pretend that this is a straight line. Oh wait, I don't want to do that. Just kidding. How about we just add a triangle this way? Okay, so we're going to add a triangle for this one. Maybe not that one. Sorry, guys. Okay. So we have our two triangles here. So if we want to say that this side is equal to this side, maybe I better label these so I can talk about them. Okay, so this is going to be triangle ABC, and this will be triangle DEF. Okay, so if I want to say that side DE is equal to side AB, I'm going to put little slashes on it like that. Okay, so then maybe we're going to say that angle B is equal to angle E, and then BC is going to be equal to side EF. Okay, so on this triangle, I have a side, and then an angle, and then a side that are equal on these two triangles. Okay, so I have a side, an angle, and a side in that order. Okay, so that would be one of the ways that we could prove triangles are congruent. If you have a side, an angle, and a side, that means everything else has to be the same. Okay, so that's what that one is saying. So if I had, take those off. Oh, I want to take that off. Let me just, ooh, I can't erase it. Okay. So then if I had, let's say, side AB, side EF is equal to side BC, and then side DF is equal to side AC. Okay, so I have a side, and a side, and they're equal on both triangles. So that would be side, 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 and that's another one. In the discussion board, I listed all of them. It's also in your lesson. There's about 3 or 4 others. So you have like angle, angle, side, or you have angle, side, angle. Okay, so like if we knew, well, I'll show you angle, side, angle. Whoops, I erased my letters. So get my letters back on there. Okay, so for angle, side, angle, this will be the last one I do on this video. So if I have angle B is equal to angle E, BC is equal to EF, and angle C is equal to angle F. Okay, so that's an angle, a side, and an angle. So that would be ASA for angle, side, angle. So that would be how you could show that. Okay, so if you do have any other questions, make sure you just send me an email so that I can help you out. And if you watch this and send me an email with 1 cent about what you learned, you can get some extra credit. See you later, guys.